Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says viral disease-free plants can be produced by option A aquaculture, option B meristem culture, option C callus culture, option D leaf cell culture. Now let us understand. The question says viral disease-free plants can be obtained by or produced by. So what do you mean by viral disease-free plant? This does not mean that it will not be attacked by virus later. Okay, it says viral disease-free plant. Suppose if the plant is already attacked by virus, how can we produce a viral disease-free plant from that plant? Okay, or any other plant? If at all, even if there is virus, how can we produce viral free plant? Okay, virus-free plant. That doesn't mean that later it will not be attacked by virus. So that you have to remember. Okay, the production is we are producing the viral disease free plant, but later if it gets attacked by virus, it is definitely going to have viral infection. Okay, so you have to understand the difference between viral resistant and viral disease free plant. Okay, so let us understand this. So as I was telling that viral disease free plant here, plants are produced which are free from virus. Okay, which are produced are here free from virus. So while producing it is free from virus, that you have to remember. This is not resistant to virus. Please make sure that you understand this point, because viral resistant means even if it is after grown, when it is grown in the field, it will not be attacked by virus. It will not get it will not get affected by virus. But these plants, while production, they are virus free, but they may get attacked later. Okay, so we are just talking about production of viral disease free plant, or if I say viral free plant, virus free plant. Okay, so how can we do that? We can do that by utilizing something called as meristematic tissue, meristematic or meristematic cells. Why meristematic cells? Because their multiplication rate, or you can say the division rate, because by division rate they'll multiply, right? Yes. So the division rate is very high. The division rate is very high. So because of that, what happens? How is that even if it is infected by virus, how is it getting rid of the virus? Let us understand that. So their division rate is very high. So because of that, what happens? By the time the virus completes its cycle within the cell would have undergone division. Okay, so it will not have time to multiply further. So division will be very fast. That is the meristematic cell division will be very fast. So virus will not multiply as fast as the meristematic cell. Okay, so virus will not be able to multiply. Okay, and because of that, the new cells which are formed, further and further it will be dividing, and like the new cells will be, the viral particle will be lost. Okay, so you will get virus-free cells, and further these cells will give rise to virus-free plant. Virus-free plant. How? By tissue culture method. Okay, that is what. So meristematic cells, how can we culture? That is by tissue culture, plant tissue culture. That you have to remember. Okay, so that's not about how can we produce virus free or viral disease free plant, not resistant plant. Here in this case, we are not talking about resistant plant. So let us understand now the options. Option A is aquaculture. So here we are talking about plants, but in aquaculture deals with the production of aquatic animals and aquatic plants. Okay, here we are talking about tissue viral free plants with respect to tissue culture. Here that is plant tissue culture. Aquaculture includes animals as well, so it is ruled out. Majorly it includes animals, aquatic animals. Option B is meristem culture. Yes, the meristems what you get, the axillary meristem or the apical meristem, they have these meristematic cells which are multipotent in nature. Okay, and they can form any part of the plant, even the entire plant. Okay, so that is why you can also call them as totipotent, because they have the capacity to form any part of the plant. the entire plant will be formed by meristematic culture or meristematic cells. So that is the correct answer. Option C says callus culture. Callus is nothing but undifferentiated mass of cells. So just by callus culturing, like any cells, if you can culture, you can convert any cell like a leaf cell or a stem cell or a fruit cell. Any cell can be cultured into, turned into callus, but it will not have the same characteristic of a meristematic cell. Okay, hence it is total. Option D says leaf cell culture. Again, this is already mature cell and which will further, if you want to culture, it will not get turned into meristematic cell. Okay, it will be like a callus. Okay, it will get converted to callus and further callus will produce new plants. Okay, so but then as we said, the meristematic cells are very important because they have the capacity to divide very fast, and that's how they get free or they get rid of the virus. So what is the answer? The answer is option B. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.